You are looking at a 2024 Barletta Cabrio 22 UC. Gonna have our Ultra Lounger and co-captain's chair. Get these really nice armrests in the front on those Cabrios. Convenient storage here in the front as well. Nice metal hinges, deep storage compartments there. Stuff all your goodies in there, life jackets, towels. We've got these nice speaker wells, drink holders, and USB and USB-C charging station. Very nice to have. This features a Hertz audio system. You'll see here at the helm. We've got our standard analog gauges. This does have the RGB light package. We've got our SIMRAD display with our Hertz audio head unit, Bluetooth capabilities. We do have a wireless charging pad as well at the helm. Our throttle. Standard with all the Barlettas, we've got that automatic canopy. That's very nice. It's nice tall seat backs on the Cabrios with the armrests. Our co-captain's chair with phone holder and more charging stations here with drink holders. And our Ultra Lounger that flips back to a few different positions here. Can go completely flat. We can lounge in either front or rear facing positions. Can also flip these seats up. Simple unlatch of that. There we go, and we can sit backwards. Likewise, flip this up. Plenty of storage here as well too. We got our covers back here as well as our poles, so everything's nice and tidy. Set that down, and we can actually even sit facing this way. Very comfortable, easy to face different directions and have a good conversation. Have our chain stanchions up as well. Make sure we're legal. We got our nice lily pad ladder. Very easy to get up and down. Also for pets, makes it really easy to get them in and out of the water. This boat does have a 200 V6 Mercury engine. And then of course our nice tow bar for all of our towing activities, learning to water ski, learning to wakeboard, inner tubing, all that good stuff. So you can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop into our Crosslake location and see this boat in person for yourself.